Shree Raman and my metric number is 281217 and I will present the introduction part. Uniqlo, the short for Unique Clothing Warehouse, is a re-owned Japanese casual wear design manufacturer and retailer. The company is committed to understand and fulfill customers' needs. In the IT department, this translates to creating technology solutions that enhance customers' experience in both online and in physical stores. Uniqlo may be looking for people with expertise in the area such as cyber security, e-commerce, data analytics, cloud computing, and software development to strengthen its IT department. The company can look for people who come up with innovative ideas and strategies to drive digital transformations and keep Uniqlo at the forefront of technological advancement in the retail store. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Shafika bint Ibrahim with number matric 292109. So I will continue with job analysis, which explains more about the job position that we choose. So firstly, for senior web developer, the first thing you need to have is an education background, which is bachelor degree. Next, you need to have a good programming experience because this job involves a lot of challenging tasks and need specialized skills to do the job. So web developer needed to know how to write a good, readable and maintainable code with various types of computer languages such as JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Other than that, web developer also need to have database and distributed technology skills because it involves around computers and complicated software. So by understanding how to connect a database, you gain the ability to create more dynamic and interactive websites that handle data efficiently. So next is the senior database administrator. First and foremost, you need to have a bachelor degree, of course. Regarding the skills, you need to have troubleshooting skills to run the software more smoothly. Other than that, as a senior employee, you should have the ability to train and guide the other employees, especially those who don't have technical knowledge about accessing data and how to use the applications. This job needs someone who knows basic knowledge of computer languages to keep data system optimized and accessible. And lastly, this job needs someone who are able to mobilize and be constantly available because this job requires candidates to frequently perform maintenance on database anytime and whenever you are. Next is the junior software developer. Firstly, you need to have bachelor degree. Next, this job needs someone who can apply both hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills include skills that can be taught such as coding and computer programming. Therefore, they need to be innovative and quick thinkers to find different solutions. While soft skills, in this case, include skills such as abilities to quickly and reliably absorb any information on any subject. Also, the communication and teamwork skills. And lastly, senior cybersecurity analyst. Other than having bachelor degree, this job can also be applied through any qualification regarding IT position because of course it involves around computer network system and security technologies. So of course this job needs someone who have good understanding in NIS such as firewalls, intrusion detection system and vulnerability scanning tools to controls and help detecting the cybersecurity threats. Other than that, candidates should also have risk management skills which come in handy to develop and implementing risk mitigation strategies. And lastly, years of experience to ensure excellent outcomes with related skills and knowledge. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuraja Betty Muhammad Kifri and my metric number is 2916333, and in this video I'm going to present about the job description. The first job description is the senior web developer, in which they are responsible to design and edit the website of the Uniqlo web page contents and directly produce the content in the website. And the job qualification is that they need to have a professional knowledge of the web application and 2 or 3 years using the PHP, HTML and JavaScript. And the benefit is that they will get at least a 30% of employee discount in Uniqlo items. And the second one is that senior database administrator, in which they are responsible to supervise the database design, implementation, security, and performance to ensure that the organization and the related application are operating efficiently. And the qualification is that they need to have a 3 years above experience in RDBMS platforms such as SQL Server Oracle in production environment preferred. And the benefit is that they will get the competitive compensation and the rewards. And next, we move to the next job description is the junior software developer, in which they are responsible in the Uniqlo online retail platform, and they also need to supply the change optimization application, software application that they will utilize. And for the job qualification is that the candidate may have at least a bachelor degree in computer science, and they also need to be familiar with the SQL, Microsoft, and so on. And the benefit that they will get is that excellent in development opportunities. And the fourth one is that senior cybersecurity, in which they are focusing on the penetration testing, threat and vulnerability, and business risk analysis, example like security risk assessment. And for the job qualification is that they need to have experience at least 3 or 5 years handling the cyber threat intelligence, and benefit is that they will get an incremental pay increase based on the job performance.
Recruitment synergies. So Uniqlo can implement both external and internal recruitment method to hire new employees. Firstly, external recruitment method. We have job posting and executive search firm. For a junior level position, Uniqlo can utilize job posting as a recruitment method to attract more individuals to their workforce. Job posting is particularly suitable method for recruiting employees assigned to basic level of jobs that do not require higher qualification. Uniqlo can use the job posting method by advertising job vacancy on their official website and social media platform. For example, using official linking account to post this information to ensure it gain visibility. To create a well-crafted job posting, Uniqlo should provide clear and compelling information about the company, the position, and the application process. Elements such as summary of key responsibilities for the junior software developer, required skills and qualifications, and the benefits and perks provided to employees should be included. This helps individuals understand the position better and enable them to submit their application forms online to Uniqlo Human Resource Department. By utilizing job posting, Uniqlo can gain various benefits, including a wider reach, time, and cost savings. Online job posting can reach a global audience, attracting talented candidates from different geographical locations. On the other hand, Uniqlo can save cost and time in the hiring process by automating certain aspects such as application submission. Next is executive search firm. Executive search is a specialized type of recruitment method that aims to attract highly skilled and experienced employees to work with their own company. To hire a senior level of position of job, a company can refer to executive search firm, also known as headhunters, which specialize in recruiting executives and senior personnel for the client companies in different kind of industries. Uniqlo intend to hire a senior database administrator, senior web developer, and senior cybersecurity analyst in their company. Executive search is the suitable method for Uniqlo because this job requires a higher skill level. For example, Uniqlo is searching for a senior web developer with an extensive experience in web development such as PHP, JavaScript, and HTML, and requires a leadership skill in managing and executing complex web projects. To not waste too much time searching, Uniqlo can directly reach out to executive search firm that specialize in technology and web development. Then the search firm will deliver the most suitable talent to Uniqlo based on the requirements needed for the jobs. Therefore, Uniqlo should network with executive search firm because they may have an extensive network and database that can help them to connect with top talented candidates. Next is internal recruitment strategies. Employee referral. Employee referral is a recommendation and suggestion of candidates for filling a job position by existing employees inside the company. Some companies allow employees to recommend candidates that they know to fill the opening job position. These preferred candidates mostly will not go through the traditional application process, and they will be determined by the recruitment team whether they are fit to the job position or not. This is because it can help the recruitment team to get the potential candidates' information and background easily. At the same time, Uniqlo can provide rewards for those successful referrals as recognition to help the company searching for the talents. In addition, employee referral can help Uniqlo to boost morale and engagement between the employees and company. When employees see their referrals are being hired, they may feel a sense of pride and ownership by contributing to the organization growth. Uniqlo should implement the employee referral program to allow employees to recommend their family members, friends, and ex-co-workers to join the workforce. As an example, Uniqlo is looking for the candidates that can fill the senior database administrator job position in the company. The recruitment team can ask the opinion of the existing workers whether they know or not the people that can fill the job qualification.
I am Notifa Idina binti Zulkifli, matrix number 295282. I will represent selection method of Uniqlo organization. Selection method is a screening process from a group of applicants that meet the requirement for a certain position. Applicant will typically go through these stages before entering the job to help them choose the best candidates. The first stage of selection method is online application, in which people demonstrate their passion for being in a position. The process begins with applicants submitting their online application, resume, and provide other relevant documents. This application helps in gathering vital data and answers to particular job-related inquiries. The second stage of selection method is resume screening, in which recruiters examine applications that fulfill the requirement for the post. This assists in generating applicant selection based on the specific requirements prior to the job needs. After conduct the initial screening, the recruiters will compile the applicant shortlist that fit the position's requirement. It helps in diminishing the assessment of candidates. The third stages of selection method is online aptitude tests that include numerical and deductive reasoning tests. Companies frequently create their aptitude tests to help in evaluating applicants' cognitive capacities, problem-solving abilities, and capabilities relevant to the position. The first stages of screening process is first interview. At Uniqlo, process is usually carried out by hiring manager or recruiter. The interview can be conducted in person, over the phone, or by video conferences. Frequently asked questions by recruiters inquiries concerning the candidate's past work experience and educational background. Applicants should show their understanding and passion of Uniqlo's principle to genuinely showing interest in the business. The successful applicants that pass the first interview will receive email from Uniqlo HR department for the next step of hiring process, which is a 2-day store internship. This internship typically includes learning on the organizational culture and principle. Interns have the opportunity to meet with the staff members, obtain a real-world experience, and have their performance assessed. This also helps them to have a chance to experience and learn about the position and business before joining the organization. The final interview is the final stage in determining their eligibility as an employee. In most cases, the candidate is interviewed by their qualification, abilities, and organizational culture fit. An in-depth discussion has been carried out regarding job and internship experiences. The best applicants will pass these stages and finally be employed. Thank you.
Okay, next, I will continue with the conclusion. In establishing the staffing plan for Uniqlo, new Department of Information and Communication Technology (ICT) process to find eligible and right applicant for specific position in the department. A comprehensive strategy has been developed to align technological advancement with the company's overarching goals. By recognizing pivotal role of technology in modern retail, the staffing plan prioritizes the acquisitions of specialized talent, fostering innovations and ensuring operational efficiency. That's all from us. Thank you.